And hello and welcome to day two of SODACON 2020, the open source event dedicated to advancing standards and technologies in data and storage. My name is Anvit KS and I'm going to be the host for the day. Day one was full of exciting talks and discussions. We heard about the state of the open data autonomy, challenging use cases, and interesting talks on new technologies and developments. We also had a panel discussion with experts from various organizations sharing their thoughts on some of the most relevant issues, developments in the data and storage domain. Day two has some, if not more, exciting talks and sessions. There are a few announcements though. Speakers, please note that all sessions will have a 2 to 5 question answer period based on the length of your session. If it's a 10-minute session, we will have a 2 minutes Q&A at the end of your session. So you need to wind up within 8 minutes. And for a 20-minute session, we ideally would want to have about 4 minutes of a Q&A session at the end. Please make sure you wind up your talk before 16 minutes. I will be interjecting and giving you time checks at intervals. If possible, please keep a check on your chat. If not, I will give you a verbal heads up. For panel discussions, we will have ideally try to have a 5 to 10 minutes or maybe 20-minute discussion towards the end, but I will leave it to the panel moderators to take up any questions during the session. If you've joined as a panelist, kindly mute yourself and keep your mic on only if you're speaking. You can keep your video on throughout. It will help us with your face because we want to see everybody, all the speakers when they are speaking. It's a Zoom webinar, so if you've joined as an attendee, you will not be able to use the mic nor the video, but you can ask us questions using the Q&A box and the chat window, preferably the Q&A box because we will be keeping a track of Q&A for all the sessions separately. All the panelists, if you feel you can answer some of the questions, please go ahead. You have the access to the Q&A box as well. We will be running an exciting raffle through the day as well. As we did yesterday, some of the prizes were given away, but we thought it will be interesting to keep the prizes for today. So we've got some amazing prizes. We have the grand prize of the Apple iPhone Pro. We also have Apple smartwatches, Apple AirPods Pro, and lots of Amazon vouchers to give away. So please make sure that you are logged in for every session because attending the sessions is a must. You have to be present to claim your prize. The agenda can be seen on the website. You can head on to sodafoundation.io/events/SODACON2020. It's also it can be shared in the chat as well. And we are using the hashtag SODACON2020 on social media. Please do tweet, share on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and you can tag us with @SodaFoundation on Twitter. What we are going to do now is just take a stock of things. Let's see how many people have joined in today and what we can do. Oh, we've got some numbers increasing. That's nice. That's good to see. Hello, welcome everybody. Let's see how many of you were actually following yesterday's talks. So can anybody here in the chat, let me get the answers in the chat from the attendees. Can you name the keynote session yesterday? What was the keynote session called yesterday? Let me see the answers in the chat, everybody. Let me see who gets that answer. Anybody here wants to go and give an answer? Let me take a look. What was the keynote session called yesterday?
Do we have a chance, Ashit?
Panelists, if you were present yesterday, you can also take a chance if you want.
Anvit, you will have to do it on our behalf. We cannot type.
Oh, yeah, panelists are not able to type.
And the title is removed from the agenda, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Well, I'll give you a hint. What you can do. Okay, Komal Sunil Khachane says data and storage challenges. That was actually one of the keynotes. You are absolutely right. What was the first keynote called? Salman Fazal also says, oh, Yogesh Kapoor, big round of applause to Yogesh, everybody. State of the open data autonomy is absolutely right. Soda Ecosystem Roundup, Aditya Gupta also getting right. That's also right, Komal getting that one right as well. Awesome, that was good. We also had a keynote on the state of the open data autonomy, this Soda Ecosystem Roundup by Larry as well. That was good. Congratulations, Yogesh. Thank you so much. You were paying attention or you did a very good search. That was very nice of you. And just for that, I'm feeling very generous. You win yourself Amazon voucher worth 50 USD. So congratulations, Yogesh. See, I said I can be generous, and this is going to be a fun thing. So if you interact, you will win something. So congratulations, Yogesh.
Yeah, Ashit, you didn't say initially. I should have given
Well,
that.
that's the idea. That's the idea. We want to make sure that people are paying attention and people are enjoying themselves. And this is SODACON 2020. So let me do this now.